guys, welcome to downtown Winter Garden, a beautiful area with charming cafes, little shops and restaurants.
Winter Garden is a small town city with a big-time history. Recent development has added to the small town charm while preserving the heritage that has made Winter Garden what it is today. Built on the back of the citrus industry during the end of the 19th century, Winter Garden has consistently grown for over 100 years. Walking through the city, you can see the success that Winter Garden has effectuated since the very first election in 1903, transformed into a modern haven for art, community and economy. Located at what locals call the high point of Florida, Winter Garden is in close proximity to everything of note in the state. Just hours from the beaches, minutes from attractions, Orlando and the airport. Winter Garden is truly the hub of our sunny state. At that hub you will find enough entertainment and history to keep you entertained for hours on end. The old-fashioned shops and restaurants have been remodeled to meet modern conveniences while keeping to their wine styles. The railroad runs through the heart of the city and was once the main vein that kept Winter Garden connected with the rest of the nation. The Railroad Museum and the bright yellow car booths in front of the Heritage Museum serve to keep Winter Garden connected to the rich history that it was founded on. Once a popular destination for businessmen and celebrities, Winter Garden is now a popular destination for people to live and visit, with a penchant for small town charm.
And today is Saturday, and this is one of the busiest days in downtown Winter Garden because we do have Saturday market. And you can see behind me there is lots and lots of places where I have no idea what they're selling right now because I haven't been on Saturday here for a very long time. The main street, it goes out there, and right now I just parked right here, so it's a little bit off of the main street where you can park for free and walk around and see and buy stuff. So all the social life going on around here on Saturdays especially, so as you can see. So let's go and have a look what they have, because you know last year when last time I've been here they didn't have some new things, so they built a new marketplace. So when I came in this time and looked at it, it was really cool, and we are going right there in a minute. We were driving before earlier over there. You can see this is where the main area, main road, and we're just off a little bit. This is where they have the different, well, I don't know, stalls, you call it stalls? You know, my English getting really bad these days. But last time I've been here on Saturday and it wasn't that big. It looks like it's much bigger now, you know. It's huge. So let's see, well, they always have really nice fresh fruits and vegetables, and well, it's supposed to be farmers market. So you see with really nice and fresh fruits and vegetables. So you see this is organic. I don't know what the price is, I guess I have to ask. And the market is from 9 till 2 o'clock. It used to be, I think it was before from 9 and closing a little bit earlier. That's why I was always, you know, too lazy to get up too early to come here. But oh my god, look at how big it is. It's huge. So I guess it's became like really popular these days. And that's why it's grown. Usually it was only like a little bit part of that area, but now it's really big. I don't even know where to go. Lots of things. Lots! Look at that. Okay, let's just check it out what they do have. What kind of stuff now. Looks like it's not just farmers market now, not just fruits and vegetables, all the other sorts of things you can buy. Okay, so you see we have some leather stuff, leather belts, different You know, like a little bit handbags. I think it's also like what do-it-yourself market. So maybe handmade market, handmade stuff. Interesting stuff. Okay. Soap. Let's see, we have soap. $5 each. Smells nice. Very nice. Very nice smell. Okay, so some dry tomatoes. That is interesting. And the spices. So also you see you can have some like snacks, something to eat, and actually try different foods. Okay. So like cinnamon roll. Oh, it's sold out. Look, it's sold out because it's nearly 2 o'clock. It's sold out already. You need to come earlier to get your stuff. You can have a hot dog, caramel strawberry, something. Ice cream, it's ice cream, yes. Caramel strawberry ice cream. Look at the puppies, like doggies riding around. It's very dogs friendly, it's a very nice family Saturday day out, and they have a live music band, you see. So, well, I'm gonna have a look a little bit down there because usually the fruits and vegetables will be just in that area. So that area was always with all the different things. But you see, they get bigger. You can have new row now out there. Lots of things going on. So, well, this is the main market area, which is under the roof. You see, it's a little bit shade in here. I usually would go and buy some fruits and vegetables around here. You can see a little bit of the prices. And you see, as I'm saying, it's already half a day gone. There's less people now. Which I discovered only this year. We are just passing, that is our city hall, okay? And I'm still walking, this is the main street, you see, this is what we are going that way. This is where the new marketplace they built. And if you would look, that's the main street that I was telling you about, and which is really hard to find the parking right now because it's packed. During the week it's very empty, I'm telling you, it's very empty except the evening. In the evenings it also gets busy, and during the week you can find parking. So I think it's only about 2 hours. Okay, so for 2 hours you can park for free, and then you have to move. But out a little bit, all the parkings are also free, so this is like really good. So don't have to worry about where to drop your car off. So. But I decided to go in exactly on Saturday, so I would show you how busy and how the life is going on in this area. So getting, that's what I'm saying. See over there, so we're going right behind me. See, lots of people there already. Lots of people. That place is open all the time. I mean, this market was only Saturdays, but that's new place they built. It's open every day. So they do have, maybe you've seen, I showed you the parade, like they have Christmas parade here, takes place in this street, Winter Garden. They also have like the old cars, car show here, displaying. I'm not sure, you need to check if you want to go, like go to Winter Garden official site. They do have it, I think, once a month. I'm just not sure which day exactly they're doing it. So, and here we are. We are going to go inside that place. I have no idea what. I think this is a restaurant they built. It's also, this was just complete like recently, this building. So I think it's a restaurant. So I haven't checked it out yet. I mean, I haven't been inside, but I know it's a restaurant. And that's the new place. Look at that. This is really cool. I'm telling you. I think last time I was a couple of years ago, so they must have built it like in 2 years or something. Because only this time we came and I discovered that. That's a really nice place out there. So let's go inside, check it out. Okay, so well, you can see this, it says Plant Street Market. So we are going inside. Look, you can see lots. You can buy your food inside and sit outside and chill out and have fun. Well, look how busy it is. Very busy today. Thank you. But you have lots of different stuff in here. Okay, well, of course, the pasties. Oh, really nice. 350. Okay, so about 350 for the pasty. You can have what's a cup of coffee out there. So let's see what we have. It's actually not bad air conditioning, so you have like some, well, I don't know, salt lamps, and it's called Oxygen Bar. Oh, look at that. What's that? Oxygen? I don't know. Maybe you can like do the oxygen or something. I'm not sure what that is. It does. It looks like $7 10 minutes. Never tried this. Interesting. Maybe I'll try it one day. So that's cool. So okay, there's like a little bar out there. Donuts. Oh my God, donuts. Yeah, I like donuts. I love donuts. Look at these little donuts. They're really cool. Like you can see, it's all right in front of you, prepared out. Okay, you can have honey here. See, honey. Chocolate mountain. That's nice, really nice chocolate. Look at these beautiful colors of that chocolate. Wow, that is like unbelievable. Look at that. Well, you can see the prices, okay? So you can see for yourself. And look at that, what you have. Wow. You can have a sampler tray, macaron, free macaron. Look at this. That is really nice. Look at this chocolate. This is so pretty. I love this pretty. I haven't tried. I think I tried this chocolate. I tried this chocolate before, but I haven't tried the other ones. Other chocolates. They look really nice. Look very tasty. I think I tried this one before too. So you can see the prices also out there. Like really cool. So on the other side you have Sushi Bar. Okay, there is Sushi Bar, which also you see right here. You can see, place your order. Okay, sit here. You can sit here. You can sit outside. Okay, so we keep going. That is a really nice cool place. Hi. Okay, so you can look at that. You can have all this food. It's already ready for you. You say if you don't want to cook, or you can have a meat. There's some meat out there. Fresh meat.
On the grill, thank you.
So, okay. Lots of stuff. Look at this. What do we have here? I don't know. What is that? Free membership or something. Oils. Oh, love oils. I love oils. Okay. It sounds like I love absolutely everything. Maybe I am. I don't know. Hey, keep going. So I really like this. What they've done with this. The building. I think it was really good idea. It's like I have never seen the Winter Garden downtown so busy ever. You know, I've been coming here for a long time since 2008, 2009 I think. I have never seen it so busy. I'm really, really glad that they're making it so popular and busy. And you can do lots of stuff now here, lots of food and lots of products to buy. And now we're going like really cool place. I'm gonna show you. Here we are. Look at that. Isn't that look cool? Okay, Brewing Company, Winter Garden Brewing Company. Wow, I love this. You know, I finished university and I know how to make beer. So that's why maybe I really like this, to see it. That is like really cool. And you can buy it right here, see? Right over there, look, see how busy it is. Over there. And then take it outside or have it here. Up to you. Okay, and we are here outside. Okay. Done showing you around. See what it looks like outside. See how many people, and so it's packed. Absolutely packed. Downtown Winter Garden. If you really liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, like it, and I see you later. Bye everyone!